In their research project, Onur Boyman, Carlo Cervia, and their team from the University Hospital Zurich are studying the body's immune response to a SARS-CoV-2 infection. This response varies from person to person. While some have almost no symptoms, others suffer severely.
The body reacts to an acute SARS-CoV-2 infection by a rapid response of the immune system. This response stimulates both innate and adaptive immune cells as well as the production of specific antibodies at sites of virus entry. Once SARS-CoV-2 infection is controlled, individuals with both mild and severe disease develop a long-lasting immune memory towards SARS-CoV-2 made of memory B and T cells.
In their study, Onur Boyman and his team examined 150 COVID-19 patients and 40 people who did not have the disease.
When comparing individuals with mild or severe COVID-19, we saw that not only immune cells were more activated, but we also had increased antibody production in the patients with severe COVID-19. On the other hand, in patients with mild COVID-19, we saw lower anti-SARS-CoV-2 antibodies, and in some even we only found antibodies in the mucosal fluids, so the saliva, the nasal fluid, and the tears, but not in the blood.
Also, after 6 or 12 months later, the researchers still saw immune and memory cells that were active and functional over the whole time. That's why they also dealt intensively with the long COVID phenomenon.
Our research has shown that patients who develop long COVID or already have long COVID had two types of antibodies reduced in their blood, which are IgM and IgG3, both of which are important in fighting against the virus probably. And having one of these two low was associated with developing long COVID.
According to the study, also an increased age and having a history of asthma bronchiale was associated with long COVID. Overall, these risk factors gave them hints why some people developed long COVID and others don't.
Our current and future research focuses on the longevity and long-term effects of immune memory to SARS-CoV-2 as well as, very importantly, on long COVID. There, we've recently gained insight into why long COVID develops, which might provide important clues on how to diagnose and treat long COVID. These efforts are crucial for dealing with the aftermath of this pandemic and for being ideally prepared for future challenges.